Today's video, we are going to look at how to enable the edge lighting, and this is for the Galaxy A55 smartphone with Android 14. In order to enable this, if you haven't got a chance to enable the edge lighting feature, you'll use the quick panel access, tap on the settings here, then once in this section, I want you to go down to where it says notifications. Once in this section here, you're going to go to where it says notification pop-up style right there. And as you're here now, you're going to see these options. First, you need to make sure it's set to the brief option in order to get access to these here. Now, when you're here now, you'll see the edge lighting style right there, okay? So, which is this one right here. I'll come here in a moment. I'll show you this first. And this is where you can make changes to the settings of your edge lighting. Okay, so you got the effect here. Effect basically is the type. And anything that's a mid-range and lower Samsung phone, you're only going to get 6 of them. Okay, you'll get more if you have a flagship tier Samsung phone. Sorry, but that's what Samsung decided on. And now you got the color here. So let's say you decided to go with the bubbles one, right? You go to the color section, you can have it set to auto or a specific color. Now, choosing a specific color, you can have it set to that all the time. And then you got the transparency as to how visible it is or how not so visible. Duration, basically how long that light effect will play. So it's 1 second, 2 second, 3 second, just in case you wanted to know. Now, once you're done with all these changes here, you can go back here, apps to show. This now will allow you to choose which apps will have the edge lighting effect. And just so you know, this switch right here, all apps, if I turn this off, it turns it off for every app on my phone. And if you just wanted to, for maybe just a few apps, not every app to light up for every notification, maybe for like the messages, you can do that. And like Facebook and every other app that you would most likely want that feature to light up for, that's where you would go to do it here. Now you got color by keyword. So maybe you don't want everything to be in that red color edge lighting effect. So what you can do now is if you have a specific person that you are in love with, or you have a friend or something in particular, like a keyword. So for example, if I say this word here, okay? And this word now, every time a notification appears with that word, it's going to be in this color here. So I can choose that this word appears in another color. So every time I get a notification, even though my original color was red, that notification will be in green because it has the word subscribe. And you can do this, create as multiple as you want to, and then remove them by tapping on the minus there. Also, show even while screen is off needs to be on so that it can show on your lock screen. Like and sub if this guide helped you out. Thanks for watching.